That is, change is the only thing which is constant, right? This is a very important thing. We all go through changes in our phases. Me, after I completed my educational journey, I stepped into my corporate world. And corporate journey में मैंने around 24 years I played my innings, which was very challenging, very supportive, and very interesting. And during that journey, I realized that I developed a deep understanding of human behavior.
Yeah.
Right? Because
Yes,
you
yes.
tend to interact with a lot of people in that.
नमस्कार दर्शकों, आपके लिए मेरा एक सवाल है। आपको लगता है कहीं आप बाहर जा रहे हो या कहीं आप एज एन प्रोफेशनली वर्क कर रहे हो, तो आपका जो प्रेजेंटेशन है वो कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है, आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज कितनी इम्पोर्टेंट है, आप क्या बोलते हो, आप क्या कैरी करते हो और आप में कितना कॉन्फिडेंस है, ये सारी चीजें इम्पोर्टेंट है या नहीं? ये सारी चीजें इंपॉर्टेंट है सभी कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर्स के लिए, इवन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, इनफैक्ट फॉर एवरी इंडिविजुअल। अगर आपको ये मेरी बात सही लग रही है तो आप मेरे साथ ये एपिसोड में एंड तक जुड़े रहिए, क्योंकि आज हमारे साथ है नीलम सेठ, जो एक इमेज कंसल्टेंट्स के लिए आपको पूरी गाइडलाइंस देने वाली है। तो हमारे साथ अंत तक रहिए। सो लेट्स वेलकम हर टू आवर पॉडकास्ट शो चाय पे चर्चा, अ पॉडकास्ट शो बाय खुशबू सेठ सीजन 4। नीलम जी, आपका स्वागत है हमारे पॉडकास्ट में।
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for coming over here, because this is a topic like every individual should know about.
Absolutely.
It. Like how they work, I mean, in whatever field they work, in
Right.
whatever career they are, in whatever
Right.
professional they are. But for them, an image is important. You know how they
Yes.
carry, how they speak,
Right.
how they put their, put themselves ahead in the world where so many people are there. So
Absolutely.
you have to make a difference in such a huge crowd.
Right.
So my question to you will be like how you started this journey. I mean, आपकी शुरुआत कहाँ से हुई और आपको कौन सी चीजें आपको इंस्पायर की ये फील्ड में आने के लिए?
Okay. Yeah, thanks for the introduction. See, I believe in one thing. That is, change is the only thing which is constant, right? This is a very important thing. We all go through changes in our phases. Me, after I completed my educational journey, I stepped into my corporate world. And corporate journey में मैंने around 24 years I played my innings, which was very challenging, very supportive, and very interesting. And during that journey, I realized that I developed a deep understanding of human behavior.
Yeah.
Right? Because
Yes,
you
yes.
tend to interact with a lot of people in that journey of yours, right? So that's what actually happened. And that's when I realized and I observed that today's world, people view you. It is very important that how you feel, how you look, and most importantly, how you present yourself,
That's
right,
important.
in front of people. And this is where, it took me on. I would say that I was somebody who was not planning to get into this journey of image consultancy, but I would rather say the profession chose me.
Oh.
Now, how did this happen? I used to observe that right from the beginning, even from my college days, even while I was in my service tenure, my colleagues, my friends way back then, they would come back to me and they would try to check on their styling advices. They would take their wardrobe, tips, their hairdo tips, their makeup tips. And
Even today's styling of yours is amazing.
Thank you so much. So, they used to come and check with me. And what I observed in the, or rather I would say I realized in the journey is that those small shifts that we would make in terms of their physical appearance, that had a very big impact in their personality development, in building up their confidence, and how they would present themselves to the world.
Yeah, that's true.
I think that realization was my first step, wherein I decided that, okay, let me make a career shift. And that's how I built Neelam's Image Studio, with the philosophy of helping individuals and professionals to present themselves most authentically and be the best version of themselves in whatever field they are.
Amazing. So you have self-realization in this. That's
Right.
amazing.
Yes.
The profession you have chosen.
Correct.
So this is like 24 years old journey.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
So you are quite experienced in this journey. So can you help us to know like overall how image consultancy is like, it's all about, right? It's about personality, about confidence, and all that thing. Can you explain in a little bit to our audience that how it goes and how you, teach them out the overall, make their overall aura of it?
So when it comes to, we at NIS, we believe in image transformation. हम लोग सिर्फ लोगों का आउटर अपीयरेंस वी डोंट टेक केयर ऑफ, वी टेक केयर ऑफ देयर इनर डेवलपमेंट ऑल्सो. नाउ यू सी देयर कुड बी केसेस जहाँ पे लोग स्टाइलिंग कर लेते हैं. They might watch in many channels or in many Pinterest and this and that. But आप किस तरह से अपने आप को कैरी करते हैं सबके सामने. So there is a smart quotient factor, right? And this is where the role of an image consultant steps in. Right. So what the role of an image consultant? As an image consultant, what I do when people come up to me and they approach to me for a transformation, we have a detailed study. First of all, we want to know कि वो कोई pressure में आके तो कर नहीं रहे हैं. Because people feel कि okay, let me also get through this course. Okay, maybe I'll turn out to be. But it is not a temporary thing. You are trying to bring about a transformation in the life of a person.
Yeah, the core उनकी जो image, उनकी आदत रहती है, उनको हम change कर रहे हैं, right?
उनको
refine कर रहे हैं.
Refine करें. जो our value is not to change any person. We just amplify their presence and help them to be the authentic and the best version of themselves.
Yeah.
Right? We do not try to change the person's aura, but we try to refine their personality, and there are various steps that we do. We have a consultation with them. We try to understand कि कौन से parameters पे वो अपने आप को अपना changes लाना चाहते हैं. People, they go through self realization. Sometimes people feel कि मैंने इतने अच्छे कपड़े पहने हैं but I still don't earn any compliments. I don't look good, या कोई मुझे कुछ बोल नहीं रहा है कि मैं इतना सुंदर सजी हूँ. So that means he or she understands that there is a lack. कुछ कमी है उनमें. Then there are things, people who are in the service sector also, they have a lot of knowledge, but they don't know how to present themselves. Not in terms of only their outfit, but how to confidently speak out. If there are issues, वो अपने में दबा के बैठ जाते हैं. And these small things acts as a hindrance in their development, in their growth journey. So this is where we help them. We understand what is the transformation they want to bring. क्या वो अपने में बदलाव क्या चीज़ों में करना चाहते हैं. And that's when we take the accurate steps. We have our sessions with them, and accordingly we suggest them. We customize courses for them. हम उनके लिए customize करते हैं करके, and then we put them through we have our programs. Obviously it's all customized, and उस program के through, and we have had excellent results where people are really going great guns and they have really made it big.
Amazing. As you say that, you're refining the character not only outside but inner.
Right.
So can you help, guide us out, like what's the inner and outer confidence is important, and what are things which you help them out to build it up?
Right. See, I'll tell you one thing simply, that personal styling is not about vanity. It's all about alignment and perception.
Okay.
Right? When you align your inner confidence, and what are your inner confidence? Your values. Your belief, your self-belief, your confidence. When you align it with your outer expression. And what are your outer expressions? Your outer expressions is your clothing,
you speak,
how you carry yourself, your posture, your communication ability. When these two aligns, that is when the actual transformation takes place in a person's
ये
life.
कोई एक just an चुटकी बजा के नहीं होता.
in a jiffy वाली काम नहीं है. And it is a well thought out process. Let me tell you, it just doesn't happen dramatically. नहीं होता कि मैं आज सोचूंगी कि नहीं मुझे कल से अच्छा ड्रेस करना है, नहीं मुझे कल से अच्छा बोलना है. It doesn't happen. It is all happening stage wise and step wise.
Yeah. And as you say that you have also a customized program for them, right?
Right.
So even the program for the corporate sector will be different, for students would be different. Even for the individual about 30, 35 will be different. Can you guide about for the corporate how you go along, and how, since you are an experience of 24 years in this field,
yes.
So how was an experience? What kind of review people people have given you
Right,
out
right,
in
right.
this field?
Just the other day, I was with Yes Bank, and I conducted their coaching session just day before yesterday. So see, when our approach is definitely very different from for all the different categories that we have. We have the student categories where they are stepping into the corporate journey, after they pass out. Then we have the corporate people, where, I would categorically say from executive to mid-executive level. Right?
Yeah.
See, leaders, they are already in that
Steps, yes.
They will go for different kind of a transformation. But here we are trying to help out the executive to middle executive where they can upgrade their growth journey. So it is very different here in the sense we cover up a lot of things for them. We not only take care of the style quotient, we also pay a lot of importance to their soft skills, which is a very basic thing for them. As I told in my previous thing, that there are people who have a lot of knowledge within themselves, but they are not able to express it. So what they lack is confidence. कहीं हम बोलेंगे बॉस कुछ गलत तो नहीं समझ लेगा या मेरी मौकरी तो नहीं होगी. So that's where the confidence is killing them. So this is how we again categorize their courses for these bank people, and that differs from the management level to management level, senior level, junior level, and higher level.
So even for the students, this is important, right?
Yes,
because they have just come out from the college,
Right.
and they are stepping into their career,
Correct,
profession.
correct.
They even go for a job or many different things, right?
Right.
So for them also you have in special sessions and
Right.
you designs for them.
Yes.
So how it works?
See, as you said that once they step out,
Yeah.
our journey starts when they are already in the college.
Oh,
That's
okay.
when we start their journey.
हाँ.
Because वो लोग पढ़ाई करते समय final years में, that's the time when they get ready for their exams and they have to sit for the campus interviews and
Yes.
so on and so forth. They are in a different world altogether, right? They do not have any concept of how the corporate journey works.
So because they are completely into education.
Yes, they are completely into education. They are sometimes in a la land. They are very much away from the practical grounds. So that is where again we devise a separate curriculum for them,
Okay.
and we appraise the students how to be, work on the obviously your dress quotient. We help them how to face interviews. Again, we pay attention to the body language, your social etiquettes, your business etiquettes, your corporate etiquettes. These are the things which plays a major role once they enter the corporate journey. Because आजकल के बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं, बहुत whimsical होते हैं, अगर when they step into a new job, if they don't like anything, they just snap out.
Yeah.
वो छोड़ के निकल आते हैं.
Yes,
So
yes.
this is where we train them and we help them to understand that this is another journey that is going to start, and we prepare them for that journey.
Yeah, that's needed,
Yes.
because this is, and that I think what you call like alignment for inner and
Yes,
outward.
exactly.
So amazing. Like, don't you think so? Like a female who have just, running is 35, 40 and they want to come again back to the career. They need a confidence,
Yes,
They know their talents.
absolutely.
I mean, they know their profession very well, but due to some gap, they are not into this field, right?
Right.
For coming them to again to the profession, they need a push up. So for them also, do you have such kind of sections?
Yes, very much. Even
Yeah.
in fact, I would say that I highly prioritize those kind of women, postpartum ladies. Once you give birth to baby, आप usually 1 or 1.5 years, 2 years का sabbatical
There's a
लेते
break,
हैं, right? You take a sabbatical. So what happens? You are totally cut off from the corporate
world.
journey, and
Yeah.
by the time you are trying to make a comeback, you feel a lot of things have changed.
Change your
Things are changing every day, and you feel a lot of things have changed, and then they have that indecisiveness in them. क्या मैं अपने आप को इस ढांचे में ढाल पाऊंगी?
Yeah, and even the hormonal changes are that
Yes.
they pull them out to
Yes.
come back.
Yeah,
For
yeah.
that reason, many of them don't step ahead.
Correct.
only.
एक what you call it, that's called a stage fear kind of a
Yeah.
thing. एक stage fear जैसा बैठ
Yeah.
जाता है कि
हाँ.
क्या मैं कैसे करूंगी, अभी नए joinees आ गए, will I be able to do this? The
Yes.
job profile has gone up, and
Yeah.
like maybe the responsibilities क्या मैं निभा पाऊंगी, so they self doubt.
Yes.
They start second guessing about themselves, and that is where we also have curriculum for those kind of people, where we help them to make a comeback.
Yes.
Obviously, the process definitely goes that we sit with them, we understand what are their concerns, we address the concerns concerns, and then we take it on from there. for them.
Amazing. As we all know, you know, women speaks lots and they are like quite bold in this field and all that things rather than men's. You think like a men's also need such kind of consultancy because, you know, they're by nature overall, you know, we can judge it out that they speak less, they are not, well, they don't show their emotions easily and they don't come out, they don't step out.
Right,
so how
right.
you work with them, you know, for this consultancy?
See, for males, as you rightly said, they are not as vocal like females,
Yeah.
right? दब के रहते
Yes,
हैं,
yes.
बहुत सोचते हैं, अपने तरीके से करते हैं. So for them also, हमारा कोशिश ये नहीं रहता कि we want to make them speak, but we want to help them to come out of the shell.
Shell, yes, to push them.
Yes, you know, they get into a
Yeah,
shell,
हाँ.
जहाँ पे लड़के भी बहुत अच्छे अच्छे परफॉर्मर्स होते हैं, but again, you know, they are in their shell, and that's where they are not able to give in
Put their
or
things
show in
forward.
their 100% of capability जो उनका है. So definitely, there's something called, if you have known this documentary, even eagles need a push, right?
Yeah,
So that's
yes.
where I feel even the males also need a push. And in terms of styling also,
हाँ.
मेल लोग की स्टाइलिंग पे बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान देना है, because अगर आप नोटिस करेंगे, okay, maybe not every time you will notice, but now that I am an image consultant, I notice, you know, when males are wearing their socks,
Yeah.
their trouser color is different, their socks
Sock
color is different.
Yes,
You know,
yes,
so
yes.
these mismatches,
Yeah,
that
yeah.
doesn't gives a very nice representation of their image,
Yes,
right?
yes. They don't know to, match their pairs. You know, every
Yeah.
wife knows that.
yes. Certain things they don't know. So let them come up to Neelam's Image Studio. We are
Yes,
there
every
to help
wife
you out.
should send, for
Yes.
matching them out.
Yes.
Each and every time, every husband asks, "ये match हो रहा है क्या?
हो रहा है
This
क्या?"
goes or not?
Exactly.
So for them, it must needed.
Yes, must need it. Absolutely.
So, about your consultancy, we heard a lot, like where you take place and how it's online, offline. Please guide us.
Yes. See, we have both the modules with us. We
Yeah.
have an online module. We also have an offline module. When it comes to online, we are open to the whole globe.
Oh.
Anybody coming from the US to Dubai to anywhere in the world can reach us. We have an online module जहाँ पे हम clients को अपना shopping भी करवाना सिखाते हैं. We talk about their body proportions, anything they want to come to us for help about, we are always there, and we do that on an online module
Online
through Zoom. हम हमारे Zoom के through उनको connect
Yes.
करते हैं. That's what we do. And for the offlines, let's say, let's say you are in Mumbai.
Yeah.
So obviously somebody who is in Mumbai, since I'm based out of Mumbai, anybody wants to do that, we definitely bring them to our shop floor and we take our sessions as per the decided courses
So
what we
you
give
take
them.
seminars in the corporate also if the person want to call, for the corporate seminars
absolutely.
and all that things.
Absolutely. And very soon I'm also going to conduct a webinar also, which will be
Oh.
open to globe. So yeah, if you are listening there, you can surely join us. You'll get to know a lot about your basics of, fashion, styling, how to carry your image. So that's going to be a good help for you. So come and join us.
Yeah,
It's
sure.
going to be probably on the 14th of March.
So in description you can see all the details about
Yes.
her going events and you can check it out.
Yeah.
And one more thing, styling की बात कर रहा है तो हम आपको ऐसे ही जाने नहीं देंगे. हमें styling की कुछ tips चाहिए आपसे और हमारे audience को भी चाहिए. हमें तो चाहिए, audience को भी
Audience को भी चाहिए. See, those who are at the moment listening to me, then I would say देखिए image transformation, अगर आप चाह रहे हैं to do image transformation from your home, let it not be an overnight journey. It cannot happen. आप small baby steps लीजिए. What are the baby steps that you need to take? First and foremost is do a wardrobe reset. हम ladies या gents also, आजकल gents, लड़के, बच्चे, everybody, we are always in a shopping spree. हम बेधड़ाक, mindfully नहीं, mindlessly we end up shopping. So please do a wardrobe edit. The clothes that you need to discard. The clothes which are past, you don't need them anymore. Don't emotionally cling कि चाची ने दिया था, दादा ने दिया था. Just get rid of those clothes and build your wardrobe from the scratch, which is very suiting your present lifestyle.
Yes.
That is very important because we keep evolving. तो सबसे पहले तो आप अपना wardrobe जो है, ये नहीं कि आप जाके नया खरीद के ले आएं. जो आपका है, आप उसमें से आप चुन के जो discard करने हैं वो discard कीजिए. What is suiting your current lifestyle? Please maintain that. Then secondly, I would say the accessories that women they wear, accessories. Don't go very loud on your accessory. try to maintain a very minimal accessory matching your occasion. आप कौन से occasion में जा रहे हैं? Are you going to walk in your boardrooms? Are you going to play your leadership roles, or are you going for networking events? Whatever your role is. So go a little subtle, because less is more. Always remember this.
Yes.
In terms of makeup application, I would say I see a lot of ladies, they go very loud on makeup. Please don't do that. I would request you. Again, maintain some kind of subtleness there, because subtleness speaks of your sophistication. Go with that. The color palette. हर कलर हर किसी को सूट नहीं करता है. For that you have to come to Neelam's Image Studio to know your body shape, your skin tone analysis. But check what color suits you. आज किसी ने कुछ एक कपड़ा पहन लिया and I feel कि मुझे भी ये बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, and we randomly go and shop online and offline, and ultimately नहीं यार मेरे पे तो वो अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है.
It depends upon the skin.
Yeah, so like just pause, do a self check.
Yes.
Of whatever existing things you have. This is the best suggestion I can give you, and please understand that it will not happen overnight. Let it be a gradual process.
Amazing. आपने हमें इतनी सारे टिप्स दी, तो हम आपको एक्नॉलेजमेंट करना चाहेंगे. This is a small moment for us.
Oh, thank you so much. That looks nice. Okay. Yeah, thank you.
थैंक यू नीलम जी हमारे शो पे आने के लिए.
Thank you.
दर्शकों, आपको इस पॉडकास्ट के रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेश्चंस है, आप कमेंट में चाहिए, क्वेश्चन कीजिए, हम उसका आंसर देंगे. और साथ ही इनके बारे में और जानकारी चाहिए तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में सारे डिटेल्स दिए गए हैं, उसके सोशल मीडियाज, अबाउट हर इवेंट्स, अबाउट हर सेल्फ. तो हमारे साथ ऐसे ही बने रहिए. नेक्स्ट एपिसोड हम लेके आएंगे नए गेस्ट के साथ. बाय, टेक केयर, धन्यवाद.